Hello dear ones, this morning I am standing at the Regal Circle bus stop in Colaba, now known as Dr. Shama Prasad Mukherjee Chowk, waiting for a special bus ride along the scenic Mumbai Coastal Road. Only cars and a few selected buses like the one I am about to board are allowed on this route. One of the best things about taking the bus is the elevated view. In a car, much of the surrounding scenery can go unnoticed because of the lower height. That is exactly why I have been planning this journey for quite some time. Since I am filming through the glass window, the video quality might not always be perfect. Hope you don't mind. This coastal road is more than just a new roadway. It feels like a completely different side of Mumbai unfolding beside the Arabian Sea. As the road curves along the coastline, you see the city from a fresh perspective, with open sea views on one side and Mumbai skyline rising on the other. The journey feels unusually calm compared to the city's busy streets, especially during the early morning hours when the sunlight reflects softly on the water. And what makes this route special is the feeling of movement through space and scenery rather than traffic and congestion. Long stretches beside the sea, beautifully designed interchanges, tunnels, and the uninterrupted sea views create an experience that feels almost cinematic. After about a 2-hour bus ride, I finally arrived at Oshiwara in Goregaon. It's a highly congested area with heavy traffic noise and vehicle pollution, but the bus ride was quite comfortable. The latest buses in Mumbai are electric buses, air-conditioned electric buses, which are 100% emission-free, pollution-free, and quite comfortable to ride. So this is Oshiwara area in Goregaon. This is a highly congested area, and one of Mumbai's most popular shopping and hangout spots, Lokhandwala Market, is located nearby, around 1 kilometer from here. Although the Lokhandwala area falls in Andheri, it's quite close to Oshiwara. So let's make our way to Lokhandwala Market first. Okay, let's go. You can see this metro line passing above the road. Metro connectivity in Mumbai has expanded rapidly over the last couple of years, greatly reducing travel time on the city's congested roads. And this is Link Road, one of the major roads connecting several important areas of Mumbai's western suburbs. The road is lined with shopping areas, restaurants, residential complexes, and commercial spaces, making it one of the busiest and most important routes in this part of the city. And this is the Goregaon West Metro Station. This Link Road is highly congested 24 hours a day. It's extremely muggy and hot now. The time is 2 p.m. Even though I started my journey early in the morning, escaping Mumbai's intense summer heat is almost impossible. And I think it's more than 1 kilometer from Oshiwara to Lokhandwala. It's already covered 1 kilometer. I think close to 2 kilometers. And this still have to walk a little more. I think my skin is getting damaged because of overexposure to the extreme heat outside these days. I don't like using any sunscreen because my skin is sensitive to many of the sunscreen ingredients. I have to find a chemical-free solution for my skin. If you know of anything, please suggest it, okay? I actually reached the Lokhandwala area quite some time ago. I'm just spending some time in these shaded lanes to escape the scorching heat for a while before heading to the popular Lokhandwala Market. And this particular area is called Shastri Nagar right next to the Lokhandwala Market. So let's go to the marketplace right now. And now I've arrived at the famous Lokhandwala Market. Lokhandwala Market. Lokhandwala is basically a residential area, and this market is extremely popular in Mumbai for its wide variety of shops, cafes, fashion and lifestyle stores. It's also considered one of the poshest areas in Mumbai's western suburbs. This market has a lively and youthful atmosphere that feels quite different from many traditional markets in Mumbai. The lanes are always full of movement, with people shopping, meeting friends, exploring cafes, or simply spending time around the area. You can find everything here, from fashionable clothes and footwear to accessories, cosmetics, street food, mobile shops, bookstores and modern lifestyle stores. What makes this place interesting is the mix of glamour and everyday city life. Since many television actors, models, influencers and creative professionals live around this part of Andheri, the area has developed a trendy and modern character over the years. At the same time, it still feels like a busy neighborhood market where people come for daily shopping and casual outings. The cafes and food spots around here, Lokhandwala, are also a major attraction, especially for young crowds. In the evenings, the market becomes even more vibrant as the streets light up and the entire area turns into a lively social hub. Despite the traffic and rush, there's an energetic charm here that reflects Mumbai's fast-moving urban lifestyle. So this is the vibrant Lokhandwala Market in Andheri West, located close to the Oshiwara area of Goregaon. Lokhandwala is popular for its fashion boutiques, trendy cafes and glamorous atmosphere, mainly because many Bollywood celebrities live in this area, just like in Bandra and Juhu. I've been talking about Mumbai's extreme weather in my videos for quite some time now. You may feel I am repeating the same complaint, but honestly, walking around the city after 9 in the morning has become really exhausting. Anyway, the journey continues. Now I'm heading to our next location. Now I boarded a bus from here, and now I'm standing at one of Mumbai's most iconic beaches, Juhu Beach. The night vibe here is truly energetic, with people arriving from all corners of the city. In summer, especially after sunset, the beach transforms into a massive gathering space where people come to escape the intense daytime heat, enjoy the cool sea breeze and relax by the water. And this is the Ramada Plaza Hotel, one of the iconic landmarks of this area. Because of this hotel, people can easily recognize this side of beach, Juhu Beach. And this is the statue of Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj, the legendary warrior king of the Marathas. So this is the iconic Juhu Beach crowd you will find on almost every evening. But in summer, especially after sunset, the number of people here increases dramatically. In the summer evenings, the beach fills with people looking to cool off after a hot day. And as the sun goes down, this side of Juhu Beach comes alive with rows of famous street food stalls, drawing visitors in with the irresistible aroma of Mumbai's beloved snacks and delicacies. From spicy chaats to sizzling pav bhaji and refreshing kulfis, the variety here is endless. Honestly, this place feels like a true street food paradise, where people come not only to enjoy the beach but also to indulge in some of the city's most mouth-watering flavors. See the amazing crowd here. After sunset during the summer months, Juhu Beach transforms into a sea of people. Families, group of friends, couples, tourists, street performers, and food lovers all gather here to escape the intense heat trapped inside the city throughout the day. The cool sea breeze from the Arabian Sea offers a kind of natural relief that people in Mumbai deeply crave after long, humid summer afternoons. And what makes Juhu Beach different from many other beaches in Mumbai is its unique combination of accessibility, atmosphere, and culture. It's located in one of the city's busiest and most well-connected areas, close to the suburbs as well as central parts of Mumbai. People from every background come here, from office workers, college students, and tourists and local families. But the beach itself is only part of the attraction. The famous street food culture here plays a huge role in drawing crowds every evening. The aroma of pav bhaji, pani puri, vada pav, dosas, kulfis and countless other snacks spreads through the air, turning the entire beachfront into an open-air food festival. For many visitors, an evening at Juhu feels incomplete without tasting something from these iconic stalls. Apart from the countless food stalls along the shoreline, the area around Juhu Beach is also filled with numerous restaurants, cafes and eateries ranging from small local joints to well-known fine dining places. Whether someone is craving authentic Mumbai street food, fresh seafood, North Indian dishes, South Indian snacks, fast food, desserts or even international cuisine, there is something here for every taste and budget. So that brings us to the end of today's journey through some interesting parts of Mumbai. I hope you enjoyed exploring these places with me. I'll see you next Friday, next week, next Friday, same time. Till then, goodbye. Thank you so much. Take care.